Collocation with Make Quiz 1. Make friends, make fun, make money, make an appointment, make breakfast, lunch, dinner. Instruction: choose the best collocation to complete each sentence. 10 points. 1. Fill in the blank. I need to blank with the dentist tomorrow. A. Do an appointment. B. Take an appointment. C. Make an appointment. D. Get an appointment. The answer is C. Make an appointment. 2. Choose the most natural sentence. A. I did friends at school. B. I made friends at school. C. I took friends at school. D. I got friends at school. The answer is B. I made friends at school. 3. Fill in the blank. She wakes up early to blank before work. A. Take breakfast. B. Do breakfast. C. Get breakfast. D. Make breakfast. The answer is D. Make breakfast. 4. Choose the correct collocation. A. Do money. B. Get money. C. Take money. D. Make money. The answer is D. Make money. 5. Identify the incorrect sentence. A. They made fun of his mistake. B. They made fun of each other. C. They did fun of his mistake. D. They made fun of the situation. The answer is C. They did fun of his mistake. 6. Fill in the blank. Let's blank together tonight. A. Make dinner. B. Do dinner. C. Take dinner. D. Get dinner. The answer is A. Make dinner. 7. Choose the correct sentence. A. He made an appointment yesterday. B. He did an appointment yesterday. C. He took an appointment yesterday. D. He got an appointment yesterday. The answer is A. He made an appointment yesterday. 8. Fill in the blank. She works hard to blank for her family. A. Get money. B. Do money. C. Take money. D. Make money. The answer is D. Make money. 9. Choose the most natural sentence. A. It's easy to make friends when you smile. B. It's easy to do friends when you smile. C. It's easy to take friends when you smile. D. It's easy to get friends when you smile. The answer is A. It's easy to make friends when you smile. 10. Choose the correct sentence. A. They made fun of the joke. B. They made fun of him. C. They did fun of him. D. They take fun of him. The answer is B. They made fun of him. How many did you get right? Score 8 to 10? You sound natural already. Score 5 to 7? Good job! Keep practicing. Score below 5? Watch the lesson video again and try one more time. Comment your score